Good morning, student. Today I am going to solve question number 17. This question is related to multiple machines and based on straight line method. Let us read the question. Scott Limited bought 5 machines costing 60,000 each on 1st January 2016. It was decided to depreciate the machines at the rate of 10% per annum on original cost method. On 1st April 2018, one machine was sold rupees 30,000 and again on 30th September 2019, one machine was sold for rupees 20,000. A new machine was bought on 1st October 2019 for rupees 80,000. Prepare machine account, machinery account and provision for depreciation account for 4 years. Assuming books are closed on 31st December each year. So let us start 1st January 2016. Date, particulars, rupees, date, particulars, rupees, machinery account. Now I will put 1st January 2016 Jan 1st to bank account. There are 5 machines into 60,000 each, so it will be 3 lakh, and we have to maintain provision for depreciation account in this question. So on 2016 31st December we will write by balance CD 3 lakh. Now it will transfer into next year 2017 1st Jan to bank account to balance BD 3 lakh, and on 2017 December 31st by balance CD also will be 3 lakh because no machine was sold in this year, so this is also close off. Now I will transfer it in 2018 Jan 1st to balance BD 3 lakh, and now question is saying on 1st April 2018 one machine was sold for rupees 30,000. So student, in this case we will also prepare provision for machine account with provision for depreciation account with machine account. So let us see, both the account will maintain together. Student, this is provision for depreciation account, date, particulars, rupees. This is DR side and this is CR side. Date, particulars, rupees. Now student, we will put depreciation on all the machine at the rate of 10% per annum in provision for depreciation account. So on 2016 December 31st it will be by depreciation account and depreciation will be 30,000 on 3 lakh and to balance CD will be also 30,000 in this year on 2016 December 31st. I will balance it. Now next year I will transfer on 2017 April 1st Jan by balance BD and it will be 30,000 in this year on 31st December by depreciation account will be 30,000. Now we will calculate balance. It will be 60,000 both sides 60,000. Now to balance CD will be 60,000 and on 2017 December 31st. Now I will transfer the balance to next year. It will be on 2018 Jan 1st by balance BD 60,000 and in this year one machine was sold for 30,000 on 1st April. So on April 1st by depreciation account on one machine which is sold on 1st April will be at the rate of 10% for 3 months only. 3 months. So the value of each machine is given 60,000 and 10% of 60,000 will be 6,000, but 6,000 will be for 1 year and we have to calculate for 3 months only. So we can say it will be 1,500 and remaining machine, the balance of remaining machine will be 4 and depreciation will be on 31st December on 4 machine for full year. It will be 24,000 because the cost of 4 machine will be 2,40,000 at the rate of 60,000 each. As you can see, 60,000 each. So we have left 4 machines and we will calculate depreciation on 4 machines at the rate of 10% on 2,40,000. So it will be 24,000. Now student, we have to calculate balance. So it will be 85,500, and on 2018 April 1st, 2 machine account, 1 machine was sold on 1st April. So we have to calculate total depreciation on that machine which is sold on 1st April. So in first year, the depreciation of one machine will be 6,000, and in second year also 6,000, so it will be 12,000, and in third year 1,500. So total depreciation will be 7,500, the machine which was sold on 1st April. So now 85,500 minus 7,500, it will be 78,000, and it will be bought to balance CD on December 31st, 2018, and I will transfer it to next year. So on 2019 Jan 1st, by balance BD will be 78,000, and I will transfer total depreciation on one machine 7,500 in machine account because it is selling. So I will write in machine account now 2018 April 1st, by provision for depreciation account. So total depreciation has been brought from provision for depreciation account 7,500, because one machine is selling on 1st April in this year, and by bank account will be 30,000 because it was sold in 30,000. Question is saying, now student, cost of machine was 60,000. Total depreciation on machine is 7,500, and it is selling in 30,000. So when we will deduct 37,500 from 60,000, our loss will be total loss will be 16,000. Sorry student, one mistake was occurred in this question. 6,000 plus 6,000, it will be 12,000, and 1,500, it will be 13,500. So I will write 13,500 because total depreciation on the machine which is selling on 1st April will be 13,500 from the date of purchase to 2018 April 1st. So remaining balance will be 72,000, and I will write 72,000 by balance BD. So we will also write 13,500, and our loss will be PL account 16,500 because answer is given 16,500 here also. So I have deduct our mistake. Now student, on 2018 December 31st, there are 4 machines will remain. So I will write by balance CD 2,40,000 because one machine was sold and there are 4 machines is remaining at the rate of 60,000 each. So now I will write 3 lakh both sides. And when we transfer to balance BD in next year on 2019 Jan 1st, it will be 2,40,000. Now question is saying on 30th September 2019, one machine was sold for 20,000. So on 2019 September 30, by provision for depreciation account, we will write by bank account means sale price, it means 20,000, and by PL account. Now on 31st December 2019, we have balance CD, and in this question also on 1st October 2019 one machine cost 80,000 purchase. So we will write October 1st to bank account 80,000. Now student, we have to go in provision for depreciation account, and now we have 4 machines, but one machine was sold on September 30. So September 30 I will calculate depreciation separately up to September 30 on one machine. So on one machine depreciation for 1 year will be 6,000, and for 9 month depreciation will be 4,500. So we have remaining machine, and we will write on December 31st depreciation on 2 machine, remaining 2 machine. First machine was sold, second machine was sold on October. 2 machine and 1 new machine was also purchased. So up to December 31st depreciation for new machine also will be calculated. Now on 2 machine depreciation will be 12,000, because 1 machine depreciation will be 6,000 and on 2 machine depreciation will be 12,000. And on new machine was purchased just 1st October. So depreciation will be 8,000 for full year, but for 3 month depreciation will be 2,000 only, because this machine was purchased on 1st October. Now total balance will be total balance of provision for depreciation account will be, sorry student, we have left 3 machines, so it will be 18,000, because out of 5 machine 1 machine was sold in 2018 1st April, second machine was sold on 30th September 2019, and we have left 3 machine and 1 new machine. So at the rate of 6,000 per machine, depreciation will be on 3 machine 18,000, and total when we will calculate it will be 96,500, and I will balance it 96,500, and we will write on 2019 December 31st by machine account, the machine which was September 30 to machine account. Total depreciation will be 6,000 plus 6,000 second year plus 6,000 third year, and in fourth year it will be 4,500. So total depreciation on machine will be 22,500, which is selling on 30th September. Now student, remaining balance will be on December 31st to balance CD will be 74,000 of provision for depreciation account. So this provision for depreciation account was completed, and now we have to complete by putting provision for depreciation account 22,500 in machine account. We will calculate 22,500, the machine which was sold on 30th September, and our loss will be, when we deduct from 60,000 42,500, our loss will be 17,500. Now we will balance it 3,20,000 both side, 3,20,000 both side, and it will be balance CD now 2,60,000, because we have left 3 machine at the rate of 60,000 and 1 machine cost of 80,000. So total balance will be 2,60,000. Now student, you can take a screenshot also of machine account, and this is for provision for depreciation account. Thank you very much.